Bowling again, and today I got some fidget blind bags. Also, most of them have sticky notes because they ran out of tape. So yeah, they came with a little note, and I don't have a big bag because I already destroyed the bag. So yeah, I want to start with. I'm going to find the yellow one because yellow is common. This one is yellow. This one's common. I'm going to get out my scissors to cut it. I can see about it. Not really detailed. So what even is it? Yellow. Ooh, I got mochi. So I got mochi. I got a little bunny. Sorry if I didn't finish it. I got a blue whale. I got a yellow doggy. And lastly, I got this little blue mare there. So cute. Okay, I'm going to put those right here because those are common. Now I'm going to find the green one is. Oh wait, hold on. They actually messed up. So green is supposed to be rare, and then the purple one is supposed to be common. Oops. Let me open. I'm not opening this one since definitely messed up. Oh, they have a little cutting here. Yay. I don't mind my cutting. What did I buy? Oh, okay. These two are home fidgets. Oh, and this is I don't remember what it's called. This little thing just swings the beer back. It doesn't make really much sound, if you can tell. But I think it's really cool in my opinion. And I think there's one more thing in here I'm going to get out. Oh, it's another one, but it's a little baby. This one is a little smaller because it has bigger pieces of tape to hold it. So yes. Okay, so blue was rare, and I think they accidentally messed up orange. I don't know. I think they accidentally messed up. Green is a good one, so I'm pretty sure they actually messed up. Orange is supposed to be common, I think. Yeah. This one is. Well, I kind of like it. It's because you use the structure, but I think it kind of got dry. This is the front. There's one more thing. Oh, okay, I know. This is good because I guess it's good because you use this. Also, comment down what else I make for like blind bags. Blind bags. This one is green. Okay, this one is supposed to be orchard. And I think orange is supposed to be uncommon. Yeah. This one doesn't have anyone, and then this is the best one. This is like kind of. I got monkey noodles. No way! I got monkey noodles. They're all tangled up, but that's okay. And lastly, for this thing now, which one is it? I think they actually messed up the back. This way is struggling, so not time to cut it open. Cut open. Okay, let's cut open. I don't have any more. Oh, it's a stress ball! Or it's a dough ball. Oh, it is a dough ball. Sorry if the video was short. Comment down. I guess. Well, I can't. Go into one of my old videos that has the comment section and comment what else I should make for blind bags. Bye, guys.